Hi, it's Aim Toys. Today I'll be showing you how to do the checkerboard pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, so let's get started. So first, you need to bring the middle on whichever side you want. You need to turn it 180 degrees, so twice. 1, 2. And then it should be on. And then the color that you want to do, which I'm doing green, it should be on the opposite of the other color. So if the other color is blue, then one of the blue lines should be here, which is done. So it's correct. Then you turn the face. Now I have to go with white. And now with this pattern, green, blue, green, which is what I'm doing, you need to move that thing twice. Now you have a checkerboard on two sides, which is the blue side and the green side. Now, you will have another pattern of either red, orange, red, or yellow, white, yellow, or orange, red, orange, or white, yellow, white. You just move that 180 degrees in that direction, in either forward, either this way or this way. Then you will have the checkerboard pattern. And to solve it, you can either do the same thing in any direction that you want. So I'll go that way. Then this line that you will see here, do it twice again. The white side and the yellow side should be solved. And then just turn the middle piece twice. So then it should be like this. And there's also another way on how to do the checkerboard pattern. So you take the outer rows and you move them either towards you or away from you once. Then you move the top face either to your right side or to your left side. I'll do it with my right side. And then just keep on doing it, then you'll end up with the checkerboard pattern. So this is how you get the checkerboard pattern. And to solve it, just either do this again, or do the middle, just like how I showed you in the first one. So bye.
Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.